Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your academic pursuits with Wiley, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your academic pursuits, start by understanding what Wiley offers. Visit the Wiley website to familiarize yourself with their resources. Explore the variety of academic journals and publications available. Consider creating an account to access valuable tools and materials. Once registered, you can browse articles relevant to your field of study. Utilize the search function to find specific topics or authors. Read through the guidelines for authors if you plan to publish your research. Download any necessary templates or submission forms provided by Wiley. Stay informed about the latest updates in your discipline by subscribing to newsletters. Engage with community forums or webinars hosted by Wiley. Network with peers or researchers to share insights and collaborations. Research what licensing options are available for your publications. Understand copyright laws and how they apply to your work. Consider using Wiley's Digital Object Identifier, or DOI, for your research outputs. Evaluate the impact factor of journals to determine the best fit for your work. Submit your manuscript following Wiley's specific submission guidelines. Keep track of important deadlines and follow up on your submission status. Make use of Wiley's support services if you encounter any issues. Stay proactive in citing your sources properly to avoid plagiarism. Continue to engage with Wiley's resources as you progress in your studies. By following these steps, you can effectively safeguard your academic journey with Wiley's support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.